Hello dear students, in this video we're gonna check how to open a GitHub repository in VS Code without downloading or cloning. So what you need to do is on the link that you have for this GitHub, just you need to write here vscode.dev and backslash, and by doing this you will be automatically redirected to the VS Code. So here, and you can see that all the files come over here. So it is taking some time. You can check over here. The link is same, and it will automatically open to the VS Code, and you can check all the files over here and may modify or edit anyone want to. So thank you.